Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A little short video about double clicking. I've always in the past suggested people hit F4 on the keyboard when they're finished with a product because it's going to bring up everything on the page. But you can do the same thing with the zoom tool. If you will just double click on the zoom tool, it zooms into everything on or off the page. So with that said, now I'm going to hit the zoom tool, double click, and it brings up just the items I want to, basically, that I want to see. Now, with that said, we can take, I actually need to, well, this will work. If I want to select all the nodes of this item, I can double click on the shape tool and it selects all the nodes. And then at that time, I can turn it all into curvy lines, all into symmetrical lines, which are basically, in this case, will be the same. But if we back up here and you just want to do, let's say we just want to do these two lines, you just marquee it and do that right there, and it's going to make a curvy line. Now, with that said, and holding down the Shift key, you can put a rectangle around this item by picking the item, holding down the Shift key, and double clicking on your object. It'll do anything. You can put a rectangle around anything. If you just double click on your rectangle, it'll put a rectangle around your page. The big advantage, I've never really used that, but the big advantage, if you had let's say you have this object and you want to engrave it or print it, and you want it to make sure, let's move these out of the way, and it's on the bottom of the page, and you want to make sure that that's going to print on the bottom of the page. If you will take that rectangle and select on your laser a hairline to actually vector cut, leave your door open and put on your red dot pointer, it'll draw a box, that red box around your item, and then that way you know that that item is going to, say if your piece of wood was this big, or aluminum or tile or whatever, and you wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to run off the edge, you could always run that box right there. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.